Good morning guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back once again to another interesting video. This is another week and I see this boy. I want to sue this boy to court. You see this boy? Don't worry, I'm coming for you. Let me greet them first. So how are you all doing? This is another new week. This week is going to be favoring for us. It's going to favor us. If you are coming across this channel for the very first time, you are highly welcome. So guys, this is me starting up a new vlog this week, you understand? So I don't know if you can hear the background noise, which is generator sound. So if I'm going towards my kitchen, I know it will be loud at that side because my kitchen, the gen is behind my kitchen corridor, understand? So bear with us. Maybe I will use a voiceover or music in that kitchen side. Say good morning. Great. Say good morning, mommies and daddies. Ayana, good morning, mommies and daddies. How are you all doing?
I'm fine.
No, ask them how they are doing. How are you doing?
How are you doing?
Yes, they will answer you. Yeah, let's go. Guys, you see this boy? This boy refused to be sleeping in their room. Every night, this boy will come to my room and sleep. Most times, he will pee on the bed. This boy will pee on the bed for me. You are laughing. He will refuse to sleep in his room, then come to my own and sleep. Well, there's the reason.
You don't need to sleep here, man.
What?
You don't need to sleep here.
I told you to sleep here.
Yeah.
Because you were crying that you don't want to sleep that side. You were, let's go so that you wash your face. Go. Let me tell you. So guys, talk to you later. Let's go. Where are they? Will you get up and go arrange your room? Did you sweep down that place? That place? Where is treasure sweeping? Sweeping. Oh yeah, you get up, go arrange your room also. Lily, arrange that place. Since Henry is washing this thing, plate. You great, go inside and brush. Yeah. Is the water hot? Now. It did not allow it to boil.
It's hot.
It's hot. Oh yeah, put another one. Open the kettle first now. Great, is that your brush? You have not arranged your room. Oh. I say come inside and arrange your room. You came here and relax. Just look at everywhere. Bring down that bed spread. Everything on top that bed. Bring it down. Fast. Bring it down. You use the other small one. Clean the foam. Use it and clean that foam. Remove that book there now. Fast. Clean it. Carry this your belt. Carry your belt to go and hang where you're supposed to hang it. You spread this blanket. Take broom, sweep. When Henry come, he will fold that curtain before you go and bathe. Fast. Me. Danke sawa. Eke ngacha. Wewe sisi mimi moya. Washi.